Hey guys, welcome to the video and welcome to a messy desk here on the DutchRC channel. I am building a new quadcopter, as you can tell, and this is part of my quest to, well, first of all inform you about good motors. What is a good motor for a 5-inch quadcopter in this case, but also my personal quest for the perfect quadcopter. Yeah, so this at this moment is my perfect frame. This is the Foxeer Aura 5, and this stack, well, this is just another stack basically. It's a good stack, but the video is not about this stack. It is about the content of these here boxes. So yeah, what is the perfect motor for a 5-inch freestyle quadcopter? I have me some new motors to try from T-Motor in this case. And it is a nice looking motor, right? T-Motor MCK version 3, so developed maybe in conjunction with Min Chung Kim. A Chinese FFV racer, or is he North Korean? I'm not even sure. Asian. Okay, yeah, you probably know, if you're in FPV, who Min Chung Kim is, a very proficient pilot. Yeah, and I don't know what his input on these motors is. I really don't know what his input on these motors is. Maybe only the color scheme, who knows. But in this video we're gonna test these motors. And they look quite nice, don't they? Yeah, so in this video we're gonna test these motors, the T-Motor MCK 1950 kV 2207.5 motors. Here we go.